In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your taskbar appears unresponsive, not loading properly on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do on Windows 11 is right-click on the Start button, and then you want to select Task Manager. If you're on Windows 10, you can just right-click on the taskbar itself, and you want to go ahead and locate in this list Windows Explorer. And you can also just click on a random folder or open up the file menu too, but I'm just going to scroll down the list until I get to Windows Explorer. And I'm going to select the restart button. And then once you're done with that, go ahead and close out of here. You want to now open up the search menu, type in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now into this elevated command line window, you want to go ahead and type in SFC followed by a space /scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. Go ahead and hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and close out of here and restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully that was able to resolve your taskbar issues on Windows 10 or Windows 11. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.